Myself Gayatri teacher. I hope everyone are safe and healthy at your home. Today I want to deal with the chapter fractions. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the definition of fraction, types of fraction, and as we go on we will play with fractions. So before going to the chapter I want to give one example. So the example is, for example, Krishna is there. He want to celebrate his birthday party with his best friend. So what he will do? He will invite his friend to his birthday party. So after inviting, for example, this is the cake he brought. This is one full cake. So if he is inviting his friend to his birthday party, what he will do? Definitely he will cut the cake into two equal pieces. Note the point, two equal pieces I am saying. So this is one complete cake and this one he is cutting into two equal pieces. That means his friend is getting one cake, his friend is getting one piece of cake, and Krishna is getting another piece. So what we can say, each are getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So if you observe, this is one full cake and these two pieces together making it as a whole. Now what we can give the definition for fraction? A fraction is a part. A fraction is a part of a whole or a group. This is one piece and this is another piece. These two pieces together making it as a whole. So we can write the definition of fraction as a part of a whole or of a group. Now you may have a doubt. What is this 1 called as? What is this 2 called as? And what is this line? So we can say this as numerator. We can say this as numerator and this is denominator. And what is this line? The line which is dividing both numerator and denominator is called as fraction bar or the dividing line. Fraction bar, or we can also call it as a dividing line. Otherwise we can say the line which is the number which is above the fraction bar is called as numerator and the number which is below the fraction bar is called as denominator. So this is whole and each one is getting one piece. So we can call fraction as a part of a whole or of a group. So if you like my channel, please share and subscribe. Thank you all.